Google's smart home shakeup is here, and your trusty and rusty assistant is getting a major upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. Google has officially started rolling out early access to Gemini, which is set to replace Google Assistant on devices from over a decade. Chief Product Officer Anish Gadkaran took to social media to announce the first wave of early access for US users, although a few lucky tech fans had already spotted the upgrade popping up. Gemini offers far more conversational and active AI experience, bringing most of the smarts you get on Google's web and mobile apps straight into your smart home without scrapping any of your old favorite commands. Google's official blog lists 100 fun and practical commands to try, from queuing your party playlist to turning off every light in the house with a single voice command. Reddit threads are buzzing as early users are spotting the Gemini for Home update. And if you signed up, a pop-up in the Google Home app is your golden ticket. And if you're in the US, stay patient, because even residents in Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland can sign up to join the queue. Google has also published an FAQ covering everything from language support to functionality, helping users learn the Gemini transition. Google's also replacing Nest-aware subscriptions with premium Gemini plans to unlock advanced AI features, though the basic Gemini experience is completely free. Looks like your smart home isn't just smart anymore. It's chatty, intuitive, and ready to handle nearly everything you throw at it. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.